spinning. Try to work it out, it's getting ever since our hearts beating.
Tonight